former detective says he confronted his police chief about allegedly stealing items from donation bins and then selling them. Felix Blakeney says that he was retaliated against and eventually fired. Anchor Liz Foster dug through his lawsuit against the town of Marshville and the defense from the police chief.
This lawsuit by a former Marshville police detective claims the current police chief may have committed crimes to make money. Channel 9 obtained court documents that allege Chief Matt Tarleton collected donated goods from donation bins and placed them for sale in his retail store. Former police detective Felix Blakeney says he confronted the chief in 2014 about what the lawsuit calls suspected illegal conduct. But in a deposition, Tarleton said he collected clothing from bins, but not meant for his family's store. He says he worked for a company that collects used clothing. In the next few months, Blakeney claims he was formally reprimanded for a dress code violation, allegedly making a statement about another officer and an argument with an umpire at a baseball game 2 years before. Blakeney was then fired for failure in personal conduct and claims it stems from unlawful discrimination on the basis of race and unlawful retaliation. Blakeney was the only African-American member on the force. I called Chief Tarleton today. He declined talking about the allegations because of the trial, which is now starting. I also reached out to the attorney for the town of Marshville and did not hear back. In a response to the lawsuit, an attorney for the town of Marshville denied the former town manager and Chief Tarleton discriminated against Blakeney under any statute, law, or theory.
That was Liz Foster reporting. The former detective filed a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which determined he had a right to sue. The SBI says it didn't know about the lawsuit because they were never asked to investigate.